The aroma is wonderful today. Almost ready.
Here you go, my boy.
Thank you, Grandpa. Enjoy it. It's so yummy.
Here, my dear, have some tea.
Thank you, Grandma.
That's my good girl.
Grandfather, here is some roti.
Thank you, my child.
You are so helpful, beta.
Thank you.
The breeze is nice today.
It is a perfect day. Can I have one? Of course, dear.